Ready? Oh. Hi guys, this is Jocha. I'm gonna make my first video, so this is my first toy I'm gonna unbox. It's the Bumblebee set. So, hold on guys, so bye. I'm just gonna try this apart. Alright, so we're just gonna, now, oh shoot, this thing was, oh, got it. Never mind guys. Ooh! Oh, shoot. Nope. All right. Had to remove this, and here is Bumblebee. It's much more better than the Optimus Prime I already boxed, and not the video one. All right. So let's go start playing. So I'm going to use the instructions because it's my first time playing. Step 1. Ready. This is so. Alright. Now what's next? Fold these two apart and collapse it. That's easy. Now collapse it. So here you go guys. This is the Bumblebee version. So if you want to get a bigger one like this, there's another one, both same size like Optimus Prime and like this one. They're much bigger too, but I already got the middle one. So here we go. So this one is right here anyway, so. Yeah. Hey, I'm starting a video. Hey guys, I'm back. I just have a little issue with my dad. So can you wait for a second? Sure. Okay? All right. You know what? You're not the part of this. I'm making a famous YouTuber. What? Bye guys, my nose is annoying.
Baba, napakainit! Baba!
I'm gonna make a video.
Oh, baba.
I just wanna play with him. I don't wanna play with you. And what? Guys, this is very annoying. But now I'm changing to make a famous YouTuber.
Yung pastor!
This guy.
Nang tingin. Cancel mo yan, ha?
What?
Cancel mo ulit yan. Ay, naku, bilang. Talaga to.
There we go. Here's the toy. So yeah, start this. Let's transform it back. See you guys.
I saved this game. Your favorite naman.
And I don't like it anymore. Hey, no! No! Hey! No, you're not part of this crew!
I said you go inside the shop.
Right?
Going up.
Eh, sabi daddy, hindi.
Going up. Going up. You
Alright.
cancel first and then you beginning.
Hindi.
Erase ulit. Erase mo ulit. Repeat mo ulit sa umpisa. I-cancel mo yan at kumuha ka ulit. Dahan-dahan yung hihingay.
Yeah, so guys, we're just gonna do this. I've sort of made the legs for now, but because my brother is so annoying. Do you see him on the stairs? I showed you, not almost beside me, him very far. On the stairs, he's mine. He's the brother, and I'm not annoying, but yeah. Here we go. Here I am, guys. Now, it's a little bit blurry. So yeah. Next, yeah. I'm just gonna transform it back, guys. So I'm gonna do a fast forward video because this is not a bummer. for nose disturbing. And here you go, guys. This is eventually the Bumblebee set transformer. So I'm gonna get the other one I have already unboxed. So bye. Ugh. Oh my God, where is it? That's alright. I got steel jaw. Where did Optimus Prime go? But the last thing here is like here. There it is. And guys, I'm back and I have this toy. Same one version, but it's a different transformer. Optimus Prime, here. And I'll show you how to transform this guy. It's super easy. First, you gotta do this. So, first you have to extend his hands up like that. Once you do that straight, you fold up this cabin right here at his back. Fold these in the side of where the cabin is supposed to be. And I'll snap these two so they will form it. Look, see, now it snaps so nobody breaks it. And finally, you put the cap on here forward. There, here's Optimus Prime's car mode. And once again, you have to do the same to Bumblebee. Now, you might want to do this for now. Put it in before I just did it. And here you go. There's Bumblebee. Look at these pairs together. They're the same size and the same length, but they're not the same robots. But they're from the classic version, from the 1980s version. So bye.